Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
And before a car blows up, it's 3, 2, 1. Yo guys, what is going on? So in this video, we're going to be kind of testing the idea of a straight pipe. I've been looking into a lot of different exhaust ideas, and I kind of want to hear what the car sounds like with just the muffler delete. So we're gonna unbolt the muffler and hear how absolutely shitty or great it sounds. All right, let's get to it.
So I don't know if you can see, but this is the muffler here. And let me grab my flashlight. But this muffler is absolutely huge. It is pretty much a suitcase. And then the point we're dealing with is that connection right here. And we're gonna unbolt each side and then kind of just drop this pipe down a little bit so it bypasses the muffler and just hear how it sounds. What?
So I'm gonna get exhaust notes in the ear?
Yeah, exactly.
Make sure it's back up.
Let's get it. That was loud as fuck. Wow, that came off so easy. Oh, did you break it? No.
No.
We Gucci. Round 2. No.
Which one's coming out?
You get it?
Yeah.
Oh boy, I'm zooming in real fast. Oh. All right, so now that we got this beautiful long pipe separated, is that the gasket?
That's a gasket.
Oh, round gasket. We are gonna get the
Alright guys, so here is the exhaust sound. I'm going to start her up. Oh, that's a minty shot. I'm excited to hear what this sounds like. Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
And before a car blows up, it's 3, 2, 1. That's loud!
That's a lot of smoke.
Is that oil? Fresh oil? Burning? Ooh. That sounds good actually.
That was cold start.
Yeah, that was 100% cold start. What does it sound like revving? Is it still dumping oil? Actually, this car does that though. I've noticed even no matter what with muffler and stuff, when I first started cold start, it does dump a lot of fumes.
When is it going to clear up?
I mean, if you look at it now, it already has cleared up quite a bit compared to...
Yeah, but still, it shouldn't be like this.
Bruh. Welcome to Mazda. It's the high compression.
Okay, let's hear it, Rev.
Yeah. That's like 3.5.
Do you want to shut it off for now?
1 second, yeah. I'm gonna shut it. I want to bring the camera into the cab and hear what it sounds like in the cab. Alright guys, so that was with the I guess camera behind the car. It is pretty loud, but it really sounds good. But I'm gonna start the car now with doors closed and everything, camera in the car so you can hear what the in-cabin noise sounds like. Oh, we got music. So this is what rev sounds like in the car. So it does have like a bit of a vibration-y sound to it, but that could just be because the exhaust pipe is literally just hanging there right now. But yeah, it sounds pretty good. Did you put the gasket back in?
Yeah.
Perfect. All right. Aside from that noise, we were bolting it back up, and I think I might have to go get that done professionally. It sounds really awesome. I really like it.